check it out. I want you to see this spout. Okay, look. This is in between Hawaii and the west coast of Americas. Okay, that's going really fast and it's really small. Like there shouldn't be a little hurricane thingy right there. There really shouldn't. It's really strong, extremely strong. Hold on. I want to show you though how high it is. Tass, come here. Okay, watch. Oh wait, that's wind. So you go up higher, and then you'll see the other vortices kind of go away. I'm gonna go higher, and watch how much they change, and then watch how high. And I'm going higher in altitude right now. And this spout, this water spout is sorry. So this is even higher. Okay, here's surface. Okay. Higher. 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 You see that stuff getting railed in across through Southern Cal? Tap! Even higher. Look, that spout is still there. That's crazy.